everyone, Roger here. If you love real travel, the kind with good stories, practical tips, and no fluff, you're in the right place. Let's hit the road. Hey guys, Roger here. Quick show of hands. How many of you have ever stressed about packing for an overnight Amtrak trip? Like, you're staring at your suitcase thinking, there's no way all this is fitting in a roomette or coach seat. Yeah, me too, every time. But a couple trips ago, I decided to challenge myself. Can I actually do a full 2-night Amtrak sleeper with just one carry-on bag? No checked luggage, no giant roller. Yes, it's totally doable. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what I packed, what worked, what didn't, and how you can do it too without feeling like you're missing anything important. If you're planning an overnight Amtrak soon, whether it's the Lakeshore Limited, California Zephyr, or Silver Service, stick around. Let's unpack this bag together. So first, the bag. I used this standard 22 x 14 x 9-inch carry-on roller. It fits Amtrak's carry-on size perfectly and rolls easily through stations. Inside, I have a small day pack that clips on top for when I'm walking around the train or at stops. Total weight when packed? About 22 pounds. Light enough to lift overhead without drama. Why one bag? Amtrak roomettes are small, stairs are narrow, and some stations have no elevators. One bag equals freedom. No waiting for checked luggage, no extra fees on most routes, and you're ready to move the second you step off. Let's start with clothes. This is where most people overpack. For 2 nights and 3 days, I brought 3 pairs underwear and socks. Quick dry, if possible. 2 t-shirts for base layers, 1 long-sleeve shirt, 1 light fleece or hoodie, 1 pair of comfy pants. I wore jeans on travel day. 1 pair of lounge pants for sleeping. 1 lightweight jacket, doubles as pillow. Underwear and socks for day 3. Rule I live by: wear the bulkiest stuff on travel day. Jeans, sneakers, hoodie. Everything else folds flat or rolls tight. Compression cubes are lifesavers. I use these cheap ones. They cut volume in half. Toiletries. Keep it tiny. TSA 311 rules still apply even though Amtrak doesn't check. I use a clear quart bag. Toothbrush, travel toothpaste, floss, deodorant, small shampoo, conditioner, body wash, face wash, moisturizer, lip balm, small pack of wipes, and hand sanitizer. Razor, tiny comb, any meds in original bottles. Pro tip: Amtrak roomettes have a tiny sink and mirror, but no shower unless you're in a bedroom or view liner. I bring baby wipes and dry shampoo for day 2. Works surprisingly well. Electronics? Keep it minimal. Phone plus charger, small power bank, 10,000 mAh. Earbuds or headphones, tablet or e-reader, offline books or movies. Small 3-outlet power strip. Outlets are limited. Outlets are under the seat or at the table. Bring the strip so you can charge everything at once. Download Netflix or podcasts before you leave. Wi-Fi is spotty outside cities. Sleep setup. This is key for overnight. Neck pillow. Inflatable ones, pack tiny. Eye mask, earplugs, or noise-canceling earbuds. Lightweight blanket or big scarf. Roomettes get cold. Small travel pillow or rolled-up jacket. I wear comfy lounge pants and a t-shirt to sleep. Pro move: change into sleep clothes after dinner. Feels like you're already home. Food. Cafe car is expensive and closes early. I pack sandwiches or wraps for day 1. Protein bars, nuts, fruit, instant coffee packets, plus reusable mug. Water bottle, refill at stations. If you're in sleeper, meals are included, but snacks save money and let you eat when you want. Don't forget ID or passport, printed or digital ticket, credit card, and some cash. Small first aid kit, Band-Aids, pain reliever. Small trash bag for wrappers. Wear your bulkiest shoes and jacket on travel day. Frees up space in the bag. What didn't make it? Extra shoes, bulky toiletries, a second jacket. Lessons. Wear heaviest items on the train. Compression cubes are magic. You really don't need as much as you think. One bag forces you to prioritize, and honestly, it made the trip less stressful. So that's how I did 2 nights on Amtrak with just this one bag. It's totally possible. You just need a plan. Which route are you taking next? Comment below. I read everyone. If this helped your packing, smash that like button. Subscribe if you want more Amtrak tips every week. Safe travels, and I'll see you on the rails. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. See you on the next travel adventure.